Look, you're paying for ChatGPT Plus while these 5 AI tools are completely free, and in some tasks, they actually perform better. Number 3 shocked me. Intro ChatGPT changed everything. 200 million weekly users can't be wrong. But here's what most people don't know. There are free AI tools out there that outperform ChatGPT at specific tasks. Some of them are open source. Some are from companies you've never heard of. And at least one of them is already being used by developers who quietly switched and never looked back. Before we get into it, hit that subscribe button in the corner. It's free, takes 1 second, and you'll never miss a video. Do it now. Today I'm breaking down 5 completely free AI tools that rival ChatGPT and the specific tasks where each one wins. By the end, you'll know exactly which tool to reach for instead of ChatGPT. Let's get into it. DeepSeek, the disruptor. Number 5 is DeepSeek. If you haven't heard of it, you're missing the biggest AI story of the year. DeepSeek is a Chinese AI model that shocked the entire industry in early 2025 by matching GPT-4 performance while being completely free and open source. No subscription. No limits. No paywall. What makes DeepSeek special? It's built with a technique called mixture of experts. Instead of activating all 671 billion parameters for every query, it only fires up the relevant expert modules. This makes it incredibly efficient and completely free to run. For coding tasks, DeepSeek's coder model consistently ranks at the top of benchmarks. It's particularly strong at understanding entire code bases and debugging complex issues. If you're a developer, this is the tool that will save you hours. The interface is clean, it supports file uploads, and the reasoning is genuinely competitive with GPT-4. All for $0. Mistral Le Chat, Europe's secret weapon. Number 4 is Mistral Le Chat. This is the AI tool that Europe built to compete with Silicon Valley, and it's faster than ChatGPT for most queries. Mistral is a French company founded by former Meta and DeepMind researchers. Their models are known for being incredibly fast and efficient. Le Chat, their chatbot, is completely free and has one major advantage: multilingual performance. If you work in multiple languages, translating documents, writing emails in French or Spanish, or dealing with international content, Mistral consistently outperforms ChatGPT. It was trained on a more diverse multilingual dataset, and it shows. It also excels at summarization tasks. Give it a long document and it returns a concise, accurate summary faster than ChatGPT. For students, researchers, or anyone drowning in reading material, this is a game changer. And because Mistral is a European company, they operate under GDPR privacy standards. If you care about data privacy, this matters. HuggingChat, the open-source powerhouse. Number 3 is the one that shocked me. HuggingChat. If you don't know HuggingChat, you're about to discover the most underrated AI tool on the internet. It's built by Hugging Face, the company that hosts almost every open-source AI model in existence. Here's what makes HuggingChat different. Instead of being locked into one model like ChatGPT, you can switch between multiple models. One day you're using Meta's Llama 4. The next you're trying Mistral's latest. You can even run web search within the chat. And it's completely free with no usage limits. Know you've reached your limit, upgrade to Plus. Just open source models, available to everyone. The catch? It's not as polished as ChatGPT. The interface is simpler. But for raw capability and freedom of choice, nothing else comes close. HuggingChat is the tool that power users quietly rely on. If you're getting value from this, smash that subscribe button. YouTube shows my next video to subscribers first. PI, the AI that talks like a human. Number 2 is Pi by Inflection AI. And this one fills a gap that ChatGPT completely misses. Pi was designed for conversation, not for writing code or analyzing spreadsheets, for actual human-like dialogue. The founders of Inflection, including Mustafa Suleyman, who co-founded DeepMind, built Pi to be supportive, curious, and emotionally intelligent. Here's the difference: when you ask ChatGPT a question, you get an answer. When you talk to Pi, you get a conversation. It asks follow-up questions. It remembers context across sessions. It actually sounds like it cares about what you're saying. This makes Pi uniquely useful for brainstorming, journaling, emotional processing, and creative exploration. ChatGPT can't do this well because it wasn't designed for it. Pi was. And it's completely free on both web and mobile. Try having a 10-minute conversation with Pi and compare it to ChatGPT. You'll feel the difference immediately. Phind, the developer's secret weapon. Number 1 is Phind. If you write code, stop what you're doing and bookmark this tool. Phind is an AI search engine built specifically for developers. It combines a large language model with real-time web search to answer technical questions with unprecedented accuracy. Here's what makes it better than ChatGPT for coding: Phind doesn't just generate an answer. It searches the web, pulls from documentation, Stack Overflow, and GitHub, then synthesizes everything into a clear, cited response. Every answer comes with source links. It supports follow-up questions within a thread, remembers the context of your project, and the free tier is genuinely generous. You get 10 pro searches per day, and unlimited standard searches. For debugging, learning new frameworks, or understanding complex technical concepts, Phind consistently gives better, more accurate, and more current answers than ChatGPT. The citations alone make it superior. You can verify every claim. OUTRO, here's the truth: ChatGPT is great. But it's not the only tool that matters. DeepSeek for coding, Mistral for multilingual work, HuggingChat for model flexibility, Pi for real conversations, and Phind for technical research. These tools fill gaps that ChatGPT leaves wide open. And the best part? Every single one is free. You can stack them, combine them, and use the best tool for each specific task without paying a cent. Subscribe now, because tomorrow I'm covering 5 AI myths that are costing you real money. The subscribe button is right there, tap it. YouTube's about to recommend another video, watch one more before you go. What's the one AI tool you use that most people don't know about? Drop it in the comments below. I read every single one.